So here you go. 502 Lightspeed has been modded in terms of weight. This is definitely lighter. Let's see what it's trying to do. The extra side button. We'll have a look in a sec when we measure it. These are the measurements of this one then. It's a bit of a beast, I've got to say. This has definitely got some length on it. So we're looking like 128 in length. 502 is even longer. Imagine 502 was that long. It's about there, about 130 the 502. So mid thumb pad, and we'll do some proper measurements when we do a proper review. But let's give us an idea. Around 74. Similar to the 502. Similar size, maybe a mil different, similar. Got to kind of guesstimate that part of it. Depends where you grip. 42 high. Huh. Interesting. It's very, very similar to the 502. Took some inspiration. Not identical though. It's definitely playing on that kind of shape, improved shape maybe from their point of view. Widest point is 74. It looks bigger than the 502. The 502 looks slimmer, but it's not when you measure it up. 502's got 75, so similar. Let's just measure the height point here and here as well. Alright. Not the easiest bit to measure this. It looks about 26 high. Both right-handed. 28, a little bit higher. 502. 19, it's quite low in that corner. It's definitely going to be higher. 502's got a better curve maybe. Better curve, a bigger curve I mean.